Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of November 14th, 2021, Part 2, Leaves. Leaves, written and illustrated by David Ezra Stein. It was his first year. Everything was going well until the first leaf fell. "Are you okay?" he wondered. Then a red one fell. A yellow one fell. All over his island, the leaves were falling. He tried to catch them and put them back on, but it was not the same. He sat beneath a tree and watched them go all around. But he grew sleepy, and so he found a hole and filled it with leaves and went to sleep. Just as the wind began to blow, winter came. He slept snug in the ground while the snow piled thick. In the spring, with wide eyes, he awoke. He felt the sun and saw the little buds on the bare arms of the trees and the tiny leaves that had begun to unfold. "Welcome!" he cried. And he thought the leaves welcomed him. The end. We're going to make a negative space handprint tree. What that means is we're going to go ahead and use cardstock, which is in your Craft to Go kit, to cut out your child's handprint with part of their arm to make the trunk of the tree. We're going to put that on the brown paper, which is part of your Craft to Go kit, and they're going to paint around it, and then they'll peel this off and you'll see the negative space will be the trunk and the branches, and the paint will be the leaves. So your Craft to Go kit includes the brown paper, the cardstock, and a sponge. We're going to sponge paint. What you'll need is paints. I have fall colors here: brown, orange, red, and yellow. So I'm going to use those. You'll need a pen or a pencil to trace your child's arm and hand. You'll need scissors to cut it out, and either double stick tape, regular tape, you can put it, loop it around, or glue dots to hold the handprint in place. So the first thing we're going to do is trace our child's hand, which is going to be my big hand, and cut it out. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just going to tape it onto the paper. It doesn't matter which way you do it because this is going to go away anyway. So I'm just going to do it the way it was so I know I did my left hand. Just put like a few pieces of tape here and there. It's just going to peel off at the end. As long as it's on pretty good and flat, it should work out really well. Okay, I'm going to turn her over. Match this to the bottom. And then it's just time to paint. we take the paints, we take the sponge, and we dip it in the paint, and we do all different colors all around. Make sure you get it right on top of the fingers and everything so that you get it all around. And once you get the outline, go ahead and make it nice and big and bushy and colorful. The brown doesn't show up very well, so maybe don't use brown. So that's all there is to it. And then when you're done, you just take off the hand, and there you go, your negative space handprint tree.